Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to online classes. I hope you are doing good and fine. So in the last session we have completed aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. In this session I am going to discuss the next chapter called amines, unit 13 amines. So from this chapter they are asking one 5 marks question. So in your PUC exams they are expecting only one 5 marks question. So in this chapter we are going to discuss nitrogen and its compounds, especially amines given in your syllabus. Diazonium salts are deleted from your syllabus. We will discuss amines. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia. Ammonia formula is NH3. If hydrogens in ammonia are replaced by alkyl groups or aryl groups, then forms amines. Now, amines are obtained by replacement of one or more hydrogens in ammonia, one or more hydrogens in ammonia. Amines are derivatives of ammonia, NH3 it is. Amines are derivatives of ammonia, NH3 it is. Now students, how these will be formed, we will see. Right, NH3 with one alkyl group, one hydrogen is replaced by R, NH2. If two hydrogens replaced by alkyl or aryl group, then forms secondary amines. Three hydrogens replaced by alkyl or aryl groups, then forms tertiary amines. Now, occurrence, replacement of one or more hydrogens in ammonia by here alkyl or aryl groups. Here continuation is there students. Amines are obtained by replacement of one or more hydrogens in ammonia by alkyl or aryl groups, right? Now, occurrence. In nature, amines available as proteins, vitamins, hormones, etc. Amines available as proteins, hormones, vitamins, alkaloids, etc. Naturally, amines exist in these forms. Synthetically means artificially synthesized, existed as amines as polymers, drugs, dyestuffs. It means coloring matters. So like that amines available in the nature. Next, applications of applications of amines. It means in which area we can use amines. So those are, first one is adrenaline and ephedrine, both containing secondary amine group which are used to increase the blood pressure. Adrenaline and ephedrine, biologically active compounds, okay, which contains secondary amine group are used to prevent or used to increase the blood pressure, or used to increase the blood pressure, increase the blood pressure. It means amine content is available in these two compounds, that is ephedrine and adrenaline. So those are used to increase the blood pressure. Next application is Novacin, a synthetic amino acid, is used as an anesthetic. Novacin, a synthetic amino acid used as an anesthetic in dentistry. Synthetic amino compound it is. It is not an acid. Amino compound used as anesthetic in dentistry. It means in dental treatment, in the beginning they should give the anesthesia. So for that purpose the compound used is Novacin, which is an amino compound. Next application is Benadryl, used as antihistaminic drug. Benadryl used as antihistaminic compound which contains tertiary amine group, Benadryl is the compound which contains tertiary amine group, which is used as antihistamine. It means when histamine interact with receptors, then gives cold, cough, and it is a good potent vasodilator. So cold, cough that causes, that's why to prevent all these symptoms, so we will use a drug called Benadryl. Next, quaternary ammonium salts are used as used as surfactants. It means surface active agents like soaps, detergents. Understood? Yes, these are the applications, a few given in the syllabus. Now I'll move to structure of amines. Right, next one is structure of amines. Amines are formed by replacement of hydrogens in ammonia by alkyl groups or aryl groups, then forms amines. We know already. So now structure of amines. Yes, amines are derivatives of ammonia. In ammonia, 3 hydrogens are there. If I replace one hydrogen, then forms RNH2. If I replace 2 hydrogens by 2 alkyl groups, then I will get RNH R dash. If I replace all the 3 hydrogens, R dash it is. Right? Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. 1 hydrogen replaced by 1 alkyl group, 2 hydrogens by 2 alkyl groups, 3 hydrogens by 3 alkyl group. The alkyl group may be ethyl, methyl, propyl, whatever you can take. Structure of amines similar to that of structure of ammonia. Structure of amines similar to that of ammonia. Similar to that of ammonia. You know ammonia's central atom is nitrogen. Nitrogen configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Last shell these are. So here S contains 2 electrons, P contains 3 electrons. Okay, undergoes 1s and 3p, sp3 hybridization. Hybridization is sp3 hybridization. Right? So nitrogen is the central atom. There are 3 single bonds, single electrons. With single electrons, hydrogen will be overlapped. Then there is one lone pair, it is one lone pair. Yes. Right, students? There are 4 hybrid orbitals. 3 hybrid orbitals of nitrogen overlap with the 1s orbital of each hydrogen, then forms 3 sigma bonds. Then the left lone pair in hybrid orbital existed on nitrogen as a lone pair or unshared pair of electrons. Generally in ammonia bond angle is 107, right students, degrees. It is less than 109.5 degrees. sp3 hybridization bond angle is 109.5 degrees, but here it is 107 degrees due to lone pair and bond pair repulsion. Bond angle in ammonia less than 109.5 degrees due to lone pair and bond pair repulsions. We know, we studied already this is. Right? If these hydrogens are replaced by which one, that is alkyl groups. So now that is N. Yes, it is alkyl group means CH3, CH3, CH3. There are 4 hybrid orbitals by nitrogen. 3 hybrid orbitals with a single electron can overlap with the 2p orbital of carbon, carbon, carbon in alkyl groups, then forms 3 sigma bonds. So this lone pair is not involved in hybridization. This is existed as a lone pair. Right? Actually bond angle for ammonia is 107, but here the bond angle is 108 degrees. Little bit increased because here these are bulky groups, repulsions are possible. So the bond angle in amines is 108 degrees. It is nothing but greater than 107 degrees. It is due to repulsive interactions between between bulky alkyl groups. Bulky alkyl groups. Getting, students? The matter should be written as: in amines, nitrogen undergoes sp3 hybridization. Shape is pyramidal shape like ammonia. Bond angle is 108 degrees. Actually, in ammonia, bond angle is 107 only, because lone pair and bond pair repulsions. But in this 108 degrees, because bulky groups are repel with each other, 107 gradually increases to 108 degrees. It is the structure of amines, right? Next, afterwards, classification of amines. Yes, classification of amines. Classification of amines. How amines are classified? The first classification is amines are classified into primary, secondary, tertiary amines. Second classification is symmetrical amines and unsymmetrical, otherwise simple amines or mixed amines. Now first classification is, that is primary amines. Second one is secondary amines. Third one is tertiary amines, like this. In ammonia, actually amines are derivatives of ammonia. If you remove one hydrogen by one alkyl or allyl group, then forms primary amine. Replacement of one hydrogen by alkyl, or it is, or aryl, AR it is. Replacement of one hydrogen by alkyl or aryl in ammonia forms primary amines. Primary amines. Getting? RNH2, primary amine. Getting? Otherwise, R plus is replaced by ARNH2, only one hydrogen. Among three, one is replaced by RRAR, then forms primary amines. Example is for this CH3NH2. It is a benzene ring, AR means NH2. Primary amines. Next, students, secondary amines. Replacement of two hydrogens in ammonia by two alkyl groups or two aryl groups, or alkyl or aryl groups. Replacement of two hydrogen atoms in ammonia by two alkyl groups or two aryl groups or alkyl and aryl group, one alkyl and one aryl group forms what is that? Secondary amines. Secondary amines. Getting? Yes. NH3, SR, NH, R dash it is. Two alkyl groups. Otherwise, this is same or different, whatever it is. Both are methyls, otherwise methyl, ethyl, whatever you can. Next, AR, NH, AR. Like that. Otherwise, R, NH, AR. both by same alkyl or different alkyl groups, secondary, both by aryl groups, secondary, both by one is alkyl, another one is by aryl group, replaces, right? Next, you can take like this CH3 NH CH3, otherwise you can take CH3 NH C2H5. Both are secondary amines, both are same or different, that is secondary amine, because two hydrogens in ammonia are replaced by two alkyl groups, then NH3 becomes NH by removing two hydrogens. Next, here it is okay, then it is CH3 NH, AR means a benzene ring, students, it is right, all of you. This is secondary amine. Next, tertiary amines. Tertiary amine means three hydrogens in ammonia are replaced by three alkyl groups or aryl groups or alkyl or aryl groups. Three hydrogen atoms in ammonia replaced by three alkyl or aryl groups then forms tertiary amines. Tertiary amines. So examples are R, N, R dash, R double dash. These all may be methyls, methyl, ethyl, propyl, whatever you can take, no problem. Tertiary amine. Next, AR, N, AR, AR. Otherwise R, N, AR, next AR. Whatever the way that is, three hydrogens replaced by three groups. And you need to remember, students, primary amine means you should know that NH2 group is there. Secondary amines means NH group is there. Tertiary amine means that is NH2 group is there. Sorry, N, only N. Here only N. You remember, very very important, they will expect questions from this, students. Okay. NH2 is their primary amine, NH is their secondary amine, N is their tertiary amine. One more thing you need to remember, that is when alkyl group is attached to the NH2, NH2CH3, this is alkyl group, alkyl amine it is. If aryl group is attached to, aryl means a benzene ring, students, aryl group is attached to the nitrogen atom, it is aryl amine, nothing but it is aromatic amine, it is aliphatic amine, aromatic amine and aliphatic amine. Getting all of you? Aliphatic amine means this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized carbon atom in the benzene ring, then forms aromatic amines. Yes. Aliphatic amine means this carbon atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. Yes. Aliphatic amines. Nitrogen atom attached to sp3 carbon atom called aliphatic amines. Right, students? That is CH3 NH2, CH3 NH CH3. It is sp3, all are single bonds. Next, students, afterwards, aromatic amines. Nitrogen atom in amines attached to sp2 carbon atom in benzene ring forms aromatic amines like this, students. Benzene ring it is. Yes, to this NH2 will be added. Nitrogen is added to sp2 hybridized carbon atom which is present in a benzene ring, aromatic one. Getting all of you? So one textbook question, students. So which is primary, secondary, like that. Right. Identify the following as primary, secondary, tertiary and aliphatic or aromatic amines. Such questions are possible. Classify the following as primary, secondary amines. Question. Classify the following as primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Yes, students. One here it is like this given, NH2 it is. Second one is, that is NCH3. Same thing given here, NCH3, CH3 it is. Like that given. Next, C2H5 twice CH&H2. C2H5 twice CH&H2. Third one it is. Fourth one, C2H5 twice NH. Fourth one, C2H5 twice NH. Fifth one, students, this is okay. Sixth one, this is CH2 NH2. And seventh one is this one, students. These three are very close, NHCH3. Right now? These are the example, students. We will discuss one by one. First one, you have to remember one thing, that is NH is their primary amine, already given. NH2 it is. NH is their secondary amine. N is their tertiary amine. Given already shortcut. Here NH2 is there, it is primary amine. Here N only there, no hydrogen, that's why tertiary amine it is. Tertiary amine. Here NH2 is there, NH2 means a primary amine, easy to identify. Getting all of you? NH2 is there, primary amine. NH is there, secondary. N is there, tertiary. Right? Next, NH, secondary amine it is. NH2 it is, NH2. NH2 means a primary amine. NH2 also primary amine. NH, it is a secondary amine. Very, very important, students, observe. NH2, their primary amine. NH, secondary amine. N only their tertiary amine. Like that I identify. Now aromatic and aliphatic. Aromatic means benzene ring must be added to nitrogen. Here benzene ring it is, that's why it is aromatic. Aromatic primary amine, because this carbon atom is sp3 which is present, sp2 which is present in benzene ring, and this one is sp2 again also present in the benzene ring, nitrogen directly added to the benzene ring, that's why it is aromatic tertiary amine. Next, CH, it undergoes sp3. sp3 means aliphatic. Getting, students? Easy to identify, aliphatic, primary amine. It is also, it is not a benzene ring, that's why aliphatic. Now here it is a benzene ring, this carbon atom undergoes sp2 in a benzene ring. That's why aromatic. Primary amine. Here students, nitrogen added to sp2 or sp3 carbon, but not to the benzene ring. That's why aliphatic primary amine. Nitrogen attached to the sp3 carbon atom which is not in the benzene ring, that's why aliphatic. If it is added to this ring directly, then aromatic. Now nitrogen added to the benzene ring directly, which undergoes sp2 hybridization, which is present in the ring, benzene ring, that's why aromatic secondary amine. These are very, very important. Next, nomenclature of amines. IUPAC nomenclature of amines. Okay. So as per common convention, these are named as alkyl amines. Methylamine, ethylamine, butylamine, like that. Alkyl group first, followed by the amine word. Yes. In common nomenclature, alkyl group first, followed by word amine. CH3NH2 is there, methylamine. C2H5NH2 is there, ethylamine. We will write all those in the tabular form. As per IUPAC convention, if two alkyl groups are there, dialkylamine, 3 are there, trialkyl, identical alkyl groups are there. Getting? Methyl, ethyl is there, eth first, followed by meth in alphabetical order. Ethyl, methyl, amine. Propyl, methyl is there. Propyl, methyl, propyl, amine, like that alphabetical order. If two are identical alkyl groups are there, dimethylamine, diethylamine, dipropylamine, tripropylamine, like that we should use. As per IUPAC convention, alkane plus amine. Yes. As per IUPAC, alkane plus amine then gives rise to alkanamine. It means the letter E in alkane replaced by word amine then forms alkanamine. Methane amine, methanamine. Ethane amine, ethanamine. Propane amine, propanamine, like that. If two or more NH2 groups are there, then the letter E in alkane retained as it is. Retained means it will never change. So 2 are there, 6 carbons with 2 ammonia groups. Hexane, diamine. In hexane, E must be retained. E should be there. These are the simple rules, students. Aromatic amines are there. Aryl amine, aniline commonly it is. Diaryl amines, triaryl amines. We will write all those names now. Right. Yes. First one is amine, common name, and IUPAC name. Amine. Next one, common name. Common name. Another one, IUPAC name. common name and IUPAC name, students. Right? Simple one I will take first of all. CH3NH2. Methyl group it is, that's why methyl. Amine is the word as it is, you should write. Common name. One carbon means methane actually, methane. In methane, E will be replaced by amine. That's why methane amine, methanamine. CH3, CH2, NH2. Two are there, that's why ethyl amine as per common nomenclature. Two are there, ethane, single bonds. Amine is the functional group. The letter E is replaced by amine. Right? Like that. CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2 it is. Propyl group it is. That's why propyl amine. Prop, ane, amine. Propanamine it is, students. Right? Next, CH3, CH, NH2, CH3. Students, NH2 is there, that is called secondary amine. Sorry, primary amine it is. Then give numbering, students. 1, 2, 3. Second position is occupied by amine group. Getting? It is also propyl amine, simply isopropyl group. Actually, you can write it as simply like this: CH3, CH, CH3, NH2. It is isopropyl amine. Isopropyl amine. Then propanamine 2 or propane 2 amine. It is propane 2 amine. Right? It is first position, no? 1, 2, 3. First position, that's why I didn't mention. Propane 1 amine, propane 2 amine, like that. Next, CH3, NH, CH2, CH3. Students, you have to find the longest parent chain. 1, 2 here, 1, 2. This is a substituent. It is a substituent. Substituent present on nth position, nitrogen atom. That's why no need to give numbering. The position is nth position. Now, first of all, methyl, ethyl. Ethyl, methyl. Ethyl first in the alphabetical order. Ethyl, methyl, amine. It is common name. No confusion. So, methyl group is a substituent. We should write the substituent name first. Methyl present on nth position, that's why N-methyl on nitrogen atom, that's why N-methyl. Two carbons are there in the chain, that is eth. All are single bonds, ane. The functional group is amine. N-methyl ethanamine it is. Next, students. Simple one. CH3, N, CH3, CH3. Only N is there, it is a tertiary amine. You know already. Now, just observe clearly. Anywhere if you go, only one carbon. This is a parent one, just imagine. These two will be considered as substituents. Getting? Those substituents on nth position. Now, methyl, methyl, methyl. Identical three groups are there. That's why trimethyl amine it is. Trimethyl amine it is. Trimethyl amine. Now, nth position occupied by N comma N. On nth position only two identical groups, that's why N will be repeated 2 times. N comma N. Dimethyl. There are two identical, that's why dimethyl. One carbon in the chain, that's why meth, ane, single bonds, amine. The name is N comma N dimethyl methanamine. N comma N dimethyl methanamine is the name of the compound. Next, C2H5, C2H5, NC2H5. This is CH2, 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 CH3. Getting? Yes. Longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4. You should start numbering from the nitrogen next carbon atom onwards. And these two groups will be acting as a substituents. Ethyl, diethyl and butyl. Diethyl, butyl, amine. Diethyl butyl amine is the name. Next, nth position is occupied by N, N, diethyl butanamine. Diethyl butanamine. N, N, diethyl butanamine 1. Otherwise, it can be written as butane 1 amine. Butanamine 1 or butane 1 amine. Like that also you can. Next, afterwards, few more examples. Right, students. The example is NH2, CH2, CH double bond CH2. This group is allyl group actually. So this undergoes sp3 next to the doubly bonded carbon atom allyl group. That's why called it is allyl amine. Allyl amine. So give numbering from 1, 2, 3 it is. Like that give numbering. Yes, should give the first number to the functional group followed by the doubly bond. Prop, totally prop. So 2 in 1 amine, that is, so you can take 2 in 1 amine. Prop 2 in 1 amine. Propene amine, actually propene amine, number must be mentioned. Prop 2 in and 1 amine, that is. Next, in ene, E is not there, only En. Next, students, here also keep dash. NH2, CH2, six times you can mention like CH2 6, NH2, NH2. More than one NH2 groups are there. That's why E in the alkane word will be written as it is. So the name is hexamethylene diamine. It is methylene group, that's why hexamethylene diamine. It is a common name. Hexa means 6, methylene groups CH2, then 2 amines, methylene diamine. Then next after this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane. Hexane. 1, 6. 1, 6. Diamine. Hexane 1, 6 diamine. Students, here E must be retained when more than one NH2 groups are present. If only one NH2 is there, E should not be there in alkane. Next, aromatic compounds I am taking. So it is aromatic directly attached to this. Common name is aniline. Aniline is already approved by IUPAC also, that's why aniline. It is aryl amine, nothing but phenylamine, also called aniline, right? Also called benzenoamine, taken as benzeneamine. Benzeneamine. The E will be replaced by amine. Next, NH2CH3, this is NH2CH3. In this case, it is orthotolidine. Orthotolidine. The name is orthotolidine, common name, because it is taken as a parent one and NH2 considered as a substituent in this. So now 2-aminotolin. This is a first position, it is a second position. That's why second one is 2-aminotolin. It is 2-aminotolin is the IUPAC name. Next, here NH2Br. Para position is bromo. Para bromo. If benzene NH2 is there, that is called aniline. Para bromo aniline. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 bromo aniline or benzenamine. 4 bromo benzenamine or 4 bromo aniline. Next compound, that is benzene ring NCH3CH3 it is. So now the name is actually N, N, it is dimethyl phenylamine. Then the name is N, N dimethyl aniline. N, N dimethyl aniline. Aniline means this ring. On nth position, 2 methyls are there, aniline. Otherwise, dimethyl phenylamine. Dimethyl phenylamine it is. Another name, students. Next, IUPAC name. Nth position, it is aniline, major one. Nth position occupied by 2 alkyl groups, N, N dimethyl benzenamine, or aniline also correct, or N, N dimethyl aniline also correct. Right, students? Many are given in the textbook. You just follow and write the names for all other compounds.